Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Science Unit 7 Computer and Introduction. Now, how many of you didn't see computer? Can you tell me? The answer is no, because today everywhere in offices, schools, hospitals, and governmental organizations, household work, depend on the computer only. What we are depending? We depend on the computer. And computer has various uses. Even in the field of research also, computer has brought a great changes. And now this computer has many advantages. Now we see what is a computer. Common operating machine, particularly used for trade, education and research. Computer is an electronic device. What it is? It is an electronic device used to process the data and information. Used to process the data and information according to our needs. We can save the data as information. Children, now we see the parts of a computer. Now what you are seeing is CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. The picture now what you are seeing is monitor. It is the output device. Through this only we get the processed information from the computer. Now what you are seeing is mouse. It is used to move the arrow on the monitor and also to select the files. And now what you are seeing is the keyboard. It is used to type letters and numbers in the computer. And we use headphones to hear songs. These are the different parts of a computer. Think about computer. When we think of a computer, it is like a big TV and a box attached with it. But nowadays, computers are available in different shapes. Computers are available in different shapes and sizes. Whatever work done with a computer can also be done with the help of a smartphone. But there may be difference in their shape and speed. The operation is same. The operation is same. Now, because of the technological developments, the computers are shrunk into small smartphones. Whatever information or detail we want to get from the computer, how we can get? We can give command by using keyboard and mouse. And this keyboard and mouse are called input devices. What are they? Input devices. What are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse. The result we can get, the result or the information we can get through the monitor and printer. This monitor and printer are called output devices. Now we see some shortcut keys. Control plus V, paste. Control plus C, copy. Control plus X, cut. Control plus S, save. Now we see the uses of computer. What are the uses? Now, whichever shop you go, there what type of billing you are getting. Okay. In shops, they are using computer for billing purpose. And in railway station, ticket vending machines are used. Third one, in banks, ATMs and in post office, they are using computer. And fourth one, in a browsing center and for playing games, we are using computer. Types of computer. Desktop computer, and this desktop computer is having monitor, keyboard and mouse. Second one, laptop. They are battery powered and they are more portable than computer. Third one, tablet. They are even more portable than laptop and they are without mouse and keyboard. Fourth one, mobile phones. They can do all the work like browsing and we can play games also. Children, can you tell me who invented the computer? In the beginning of 19th century, Charles Babbage he was a professor in mathematics. Designed the analog computer. And this Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage is the father of computer. The basic structure designed by him was used in all computers. Augusta Ada Lovelace. And this Augusta Ada Lovelace is a first programmer Augusta Ada Lovelace, and she developed commands for mathematical operations. Children, can you tell me which device was used before the invention of computer? In the early stage, when there is no computer, initially people use abacus for calculations, and later they used calculator for calculations. Computer didn't come directly from the abacus. Computer didn't come directly from the abacus. Now what we are using is 5th generation computer. What we are using? 5th generation computer. There was before 4 more generation previous to this. Now we see in detail what are the 5 generation computer. In the first generation computer, they used vacuum tube. In the second generation computer, they used transistor. In the third generation computer, they used integrated circuit. In the fourth generation computer, they used microprocessor. And in the fifth generation computer, they used artificial intelligence. Now we see about data and information. This data and information are the two important elements in the computer. Now we see about data. Data is the information that has to be processed. We cannot use this data directly because they are in the form of numbers, alphabet and images. The second one is, what is information? Information is a form of processed data, what we get from the computer. Next, what we are going to learn is software and hardware. The commands or programs that are used in computer are called software. The software is divided into two types. One is operating software. Second one is application software. First we see about operating software. It is used to operate the computer. From the word itself we can understand that it is used to operate the computer. Nowadays we are familiar with Windows and Linux. These are the examples of operating software. Second one is application software. It is used to run a particular program. Example, the software we use for painting, playing games in a computer. Till now we have seen the definition for software and we have seen the types of software. Now we are going to see about hardware. The parts that are available in the computer that helps the software to work is a hardware. Now we see more about input and output. Whatever we want to send to a computer is sent through a device called input device. For example, we can say the keyboard, mouse and other input devices. Through these only we are sending the information or whatever detail we need is sent to the computer. The data or information that has been sent to the computer are displayed out or reproduced through some devices. They are called output devices. Example, printer, monitor and so on. Now what you are seeing is ENIAC computer. Electronic, numerical, integrated and computer. Was the first programmable electronic general purpose digital computer. Now you can learn what is CPU. It is the central processing unit. And this ENIAC computer was introduced in the year 1946. Now with this we finish this lesson. Thank you, children.